Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install any FitGirl games. I show you guys how to do it. Before opening the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then go to search menu and type Windows Security and click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection. After turning off, just to minimize this page, double click on the setup folder and double click on the setup and select yes. Select OK. Select this music icon to mute the music. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box, guys. Limit installer to 4 GB of RAM usage. And then make sure nothing is running in the background and select next and select next. Select browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select next. In voiceovers, you just need to select your preferred language, guys. I'm gonna have English. Only check mark your preferred language and then check all remaining and select install option. After the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. Select the folder and select folder option, and now the game has been added to this list. And then go back, turn on the real-time protection and select yes, and then just to close stuff here, scroll down in here and redirect to this site, open this site and select finish option. There was one missing file, that is no problem, just to close stuff here and install the other things. And now launch the game through the desktop shortcut. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. And you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.